Welcome back to Sun Crypto Daily Update. In this content, we're just gonna talk about Tron, and then where do I think the price of Tron is might be headed to, at least for the short term, right? So as you can see, like if you watch my previous altcoin daily update, right, Tron is one of my top pick for April. So you can go back and watch my top pick for April, right? Tron, AION, XRP, Ethereum Classic Waves, I think Bitcoin SV, right? And Stratus. So even yesterday when I made the video, right, I said like Tron, in order for Tron to escape the bearishness, it has to close very shortly above this rectangle, just about this area, right? Just about this area. That's what I said exactly, right? We just about, closing above this area. So I'm not gonna be FOMOing because the RSI is already like 62 compared like where the price is actually like too high. 62 for Tron at this moment is too high. I think like Tron got plenty of time to correct, right? Get like a nice push to the upside, a bull flag. It's no FOMOing, right? So like I said it yesterday, so no FOMOing. So I think like this move is pretty expected after we come back down to this area of a trend line. I said it like this trend line is pretty important. Like if you go back, let's say, have to go back like late August, right? Tron made this bottom formation, like let's say WePower, ZILLIQA, NEBLIO, and then OAX. I think OAX. They all made this bottom formation from like mid-August to late September, right? Before a nice bottom formation and a push to the upside, right? So what I'm expecting for Tron to do, at least for the short term, to complete this big candle, most likely we're gonna get some rejection just about this area of resistance, and then we're gonna be moving sideways. So it is going to be a good time to I think like the current price of Tron is just about let's see, 621, I think, right? 621, right? So I think it's pretty high, 621 for Tron to be entering Tron right now. So 621 is too much. I would rather like enter like 60, 600s, 595 to 600. It's a good entry point after we get this bullish candles. All right, that's about it for today. So I was just giving a quick update about Tron. I've been pretty bearish about Tron since like the first week of February. After we got to this area of 50%, I made like a total analysis and say like Tron is finally bottomed. After we move to the upside, get a rejection from this area of 50 EMA, come back, retest this trend line. I say that's it. Tron most likely gonna make another impulse wave. Another impulse wave to the upside. But we're just gonna have to wait and see, how long this trend going to be structured, right? And then because the RSI, is very aggressive. So I said it last time. So push to the upside, came back, retest this area, and I said like if Tron doesn't get back into this rectangle, we're pretty safe. I just said it like less than 24 hours ago. You see, we didn't even like get to the rectangle, the below rectangle, just the one below, right? This one. We didn't even like get to this area of this rectangle, and then we got a very aggressive move, and then this aggressivity can last another like at least 12 to 24 hours, maybe like get to like 650, 645 before another push to the downside, just about like 600 to 610 in that range. All right, it is not a financial advice, so I'm just making these videos for my own record. So I don't have any Tron. I think like I'm holding like some other altcoin. I got my own portfolio, so but I'm not holding any Tron for the moment, right? Thank you for watching.